Okay, in this video I will show you how to generate a report, an XML report via the automatic report generator. Well, first I should show you the class diagram, and as you can notice here in the XML engine, in contrast with both XLS engine and comma separated value engine, we have an extra method here, browse, that is an abstract method that needs to be implemented on the next level, which is with a concrete class, to generate the XML report. So here we have browse with a result set argument, and as we all know that an XML file needs a prerequisite, which is an XSD file. We need to define the structure of an XML file before we can work with XML. And that's the same, it's the same case here with the automatic report generator. So we will need an XSD file. We will rely on an XSD file to come up with the structure, and then we can generate the report accordingly. The way we can generate a report, we can use the XJC program, which is an JDK tool, and I'm using here Java 7, and I will show you the structure of the XSD file. So we have a root element that contains encompasses the whole structure of the XML file, and then we will have a list of films, and a film is a complex type or a composite type. It is constituted of four simple types, which are simple elements with four simple types: title, description, release year, and length. So we have four elements, and as you may notice in the previous videos, we've already worked with title, description, release year, length. These are the four columns that we fetch from the database, and this is a good let's say this is a good situation to make the link between the SQL and the XML part. So I will generate here, I will execute this XJC program. I can define a package. I want to work with this package. I want my classes to be generated in this package, in this folder. This is in the local folder. So I'm using a folder in the desktop, auto report generator, and then I have my XSD file. So when I execute this, the program, XJC program, generates 4 Java classes, and I will go to this folder here, and I will find the whole structure and the 4 classes generated just now, and I will have to create first a project. Generator, as exactly example, and here I will take this folder and I will copy it in the source main Java. So here we can take a look very quickly. Here we have the 4 attributes for elements of film: title, description, date, length, and then and here we have the list and the root element contains the films. And then the object factory is actually a kind of factory design pattern class where we can instantiate. We have methods that instantiate the relevant classes, films and root element. Okay, so now I will try to create our generator, some XML film report. Oh, I should have used a different package. Okay. So here normally I should be able to extend the XML engine. It's not there, so I will take it from here. I've managed to put my libraries in the Maven repository online, and I will simply add the dependencies. Okay, we'll add the constructor and the implemented methods. I will start with the browse method. I will call the object factory. Then root element. Then films, film. I will take advantage of the argument, the result set argument, and here the idea is to fill the film list. But actually I don't, this is not enough. I actually need to go to the film class and add a specific constructor. For safety reasons, I will keep the default constructor, and I will add another constructor here. We have title and description. And then I will have here get date, which is the release year, and then I will have an int, and from this int this is length. Here I'm having a small issue with the data type. I have a SQL date and a Gregorian XML Gregorian date. I've managed to create my own a small method here. I'll just copy it and use it accordingly. Here I will change this to int, here and here. And then I will use the date SQL. Okay. And then here we'll take advantage of the method to Gregorian date. Okay. And I will throw a SQL exception. Okay. And here I will come back and I will put the new film with the result set. Actually, I don't really need neither this nor that one. And I will return films. I think. Sorry. And then here I will define the query. String builder query. Title, description, release, year, length. From film and we'll create an example class with the public static method. Here, some XML engine in and then I will have the generate method file XML like this. And then I will display to get absolute path. DB connection, I will include very quickly the external jar data access. Instance connection. I didn't realize that the video was the video recorder stopped, but then I managed to finish this and I executed the program and it worked. But then I would preferably add the log4j properties file in the resources for a better execution, and then I will run this again and I will show you the file, the results of the file, the generated file. The fetching sometimes takes so much because it's an online database. Okay, it's done. Here is the result. Okay, this is the file that was generated. Fortunately, it was generated in one line, but you can see the structure here. Okay, thank you for watching.